Come with me to Kansas City where we do a one-day design with our Kanan and Christian. So this is me heading out, leaving at 2 o'clock in the morning, getting to the airport. There is nobody there. And then this is my connection flight. This is setup. Usually, I wish I got more content on that. But here's Kanan doing her little boomy, and mannequins are all set up. Prep day is usually the day before the actual class. And this is us after, kind of just debriefing, getting to know each other. Not all of us get to work with each other. This is the morning of. I'm headed to what they call State RDA, also known as a salon-centric store, and just enjoying like how amazing. Right when you walk in, it's Redken, of course, and then the largest portion of the wall is, again, you guessed it, Redken, baby. And here's all our beautiful color. And after, we're gonna go into the classroom. Yay, follow us. Just some quotes, keep it inspirational. And then here is some content of all of the guests. This is Christian flat ironing a mannequin. And the class begins. These are our beautiful people of Kansas. Christian and I, hello. And here are the guest attendees. It's kind of like a Kanan will do something and then they basically are going to follow that technique. I am support. Kanan is the lead in this particular one-day design. And there's the beautiful Kanan. Redken loves you. So again, this day included 3 different haircuts. So it was a jam-packed day full of knowledge. But it was amazing. Our attendees were amazing. They were a really cool bunch. We didn't know what to expect because I had never been to Kansas City, and everywhere has their own culture. But let me tell you, I really, really enjoyed this group. They were just really on it as well. They killed it. Here we are. And then this is us giving that Redken love. And this is the last part of the class. We're wrapping it up. Beautiful flip charts done by yours truly. And here we are flying home. Yay, I could see my car. Home sweet home.